I'm Natalie, and I'm happy to introduce to you the Roxtec Sealing Kit. The Roxtec Sealing Kit make it easy to use and install Roxtec cable and pipe transit. The kit comes with a handle, so it's easy to grab and carry. When you open it up, you get an instant idea of what a complete installation looks like. The kit includes installation instructions, compression unit and a wedge clip, modules and save plates, and down here you find the lubricant. The kit also includes a link for more information online. The kit comes in the most commonly used configurations and are replacing today's Roxtec RM kits. So please feel free to order now and standardize with Roxtec for safety and simplicity.